Hey, Jack here. Congratulations. Why? Well, you did something in Guerrilla Business Intensive. That is, you have successfully enrolling in the Codebreaker training, which is going to happen in July 20, actually it's 22nd and 23rd of July, where? Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I'll see you in person again. But meanwhile, I want you to take the first step. When you see this video, below you will also see a form. And I would like you to complete certain information in this form so that you can get hold of them. And I want you to take a moment to behave like Blueprint personality. In case you do not know what I'm talking about, in the Codebreaker training, you understand what I mean by that. But just look at the form. There are a couple of things I need from you right now. Number one, I want your contact information. I want your contact information. As you remember, this training actually gives you a complimentary partner's ticket. Obviously, I also want you to nominate your partner in this form. Give your partner's details to me. And most importantly, you remember that this program will come with 3 months after course support via Telegram. I'm not using WhatsApp. I'm not using Line. I'm not using any other platform but Telegram because it's easy to use. In case you're not using it, I encourage you to sign up for Telegram, no charge at all. It is free. I want your Telegram handle and your partner's Telegram handle in the form so that when I collect all information from all of you, all the participants I would then create the Telegram chat so that we can start our conversation then. Now, I would also like you to do 2 more things. How many things? 2 things. Number one, I would like you to state your specific outcome. What do you intend to learn in this training, in these 2 days? Because the more specific you can have, the more I'm able to adjust the curriculum to help you achieve the outcome. As what we say in personal development, it takes 2 hands to clap. So I do my part, you help me to do your part. Okay? Deal? Thank you. Now, the next thing I would like you to do is I want you to imagine what life's going to be after the training. I want you to visualize the picture, like based on what you intend to learn and what is happening in the training itself, what's your life going to be after the training. I want you to see as specific, as clearly as possible as you remember in Mini and My Intensive, the very famous quote from T. Harv Eker, clarity leads to power. So I'm going to ask you, what do you see yourself after the training? What are you going to do? How would this training help you in your business, in your personal life? So you can see the question below. I would like you to help me out. Okay. So it's a very simple form, but as soon as you give the form to me, I'm able to then get my team to set all the logistics up. And if you have any question about this course, you know where to find me because you can see this email. And of course, for the administrative matters, you can reach out to Emily from Success Resources. All right. So I'll keep this video short and sweet. And I can't wait to see you in person in July, which is about 2 months' time. So till then, we next meet. Take care. Stay awesome.